Hello tour. Select option B and I will answer the question. When you going to travel? Next here. What cities are you going to visit? We have planned to travel to San Andres. Where are you going to stay? We will rent a cabin. What are you going to eat? Now in just money. Who are you going to invite to the trail? To my family. What activities will you do in that place? Know the island. How much money will you spend it? I do not know yet. Will you bring any friend you vacation? Yes, try in addition to many factors. Thank you.